welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a PR box that I got with you guys. So here is the box. It says Campus Trendsetters, and basically I'm part of a program for like influencers and specifically like college-aged or right out of college influencers. And they send me fun stuff occasionally. So I got a box of goodies and I thought I would share it with you guys. This particular box, which I'm going to show you, is called the Spring Care Self Package, if you can see that. And let me just show you all the goodies I got. So first up, I'm seeing some products from e.l.f. There is this Poreless Putty Primer. This is a shade Universal Sheer. I've tried this primer before. I actually quite like it. This one is sheer. I have one that's kind of like more shimmer. So I haven't tried this specific one, but I tried the Poreless Putty Primer before. I'm very excited about that. I also got this clear brow lift, and it says it's infused with aloe and it's supposed to keep your brows in place really nicely, and they have a specific applicator for it with like this flat edge and this little spoolie edge. So they sent me this as well. This goes together. Very excited to try that. Also within like the makeup realm is this palette. Let me see what the brand is. It's called the Power Palette, and I believe the brand is Well People. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm quite excited to try it. Actually, maybe the palette is called Jewel. Let me see. I want to open it up. Let's look at it. Oops. I don't want to rip the box. Give me a second, guys. Or maybe I just need to rip the box. Oh well. There we go. Ripped it a tiny bit, but it's good. So this is the outside of the palette, and then in here we have these pretty like jewel tones, some gold, some kind of rose gold, more bronze coppery, and then some blues, which I'm very excited to try. Like I said, I've never tried this brand. I've actually never heard of it, so I will let you guys know what I think. Maybe we'll do a little get ready with me situation, first impression, and try it out in the future. All right, let's see what else we got in here. More kind of makeup products, which I'm so excited about. This might be one of my most excited items that I'm excited to try in the box, but it's the Clinique Black Honey. What's this called? It's not lipstick. I forget what they call it. I think almost lipstick. And I've heard amazing things about it. It's always sold out. This particular color, Black Honey, it's like supposed to look like this, which is kind of dark and intimidating, but apparently it looks good on like everybody. And they sent me 4 of these, so I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna keep 2 and then give 2 to like my family. But I'm really excited to try this. Again, maybe I'll do a little get ready with me trying the new products. Who knows? If you guys are interested in that, let me know. Next, we got some stuff from the brand Sun Bum, which I'm really excited about. First is their shampoo and conditioner. It's revitalizing, very exciting. I haven't tried the brand Sun Bum before, but I've never tried their shampoo and conditioner. This is a pretty good size. I'm excited to try it. And I'll let you guys know what I think. It's vegan, which is nice. It's also silicone free, paraben free, so it looks good in terms of ingredients, but we'll see. And the other product they sent me, they actually sent me 2 of the same one, and it is the 3-in-1 leave-in daily hair treatment enriched with coconut oil, banana, and sunflower seed oil. So this looks really cool. Let's see, it doesn't really say what it's for, but it says it's revitalizing. It's a leave-in conditioner spray, so it should be really good. I'll probably give one to my sister because I know she loves Sun Bum. I keep saying it wrong. It's like a little bit of a tongue twister. Next thing is this body wash, which is huge, and I'm so excited about. Like, look, this is such a great size, and it is from the brand Field Trip, and it is their Get Up and Go Invigorating Body Wash with Icelandic Moss. So we'll have to see what this is like. It says 1 shower with this invigorating sulfate-free body wash and you'll be ready to get up and go, used for its soothing properties in European folk medicine for centuries. So very excited to try this as well. I'm gonna have like a whole new shower routine with the body wash and the shampoo and conditioner, but I'm very excited about that. Next thing, also, I guess that's going to be part of the shower routine, is the Dove Moisture Boost Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter. This looks so good. Again, look how huge this is, by the way. Like, amazing full-size products that they sent me. And this, let's see, it says double down on moisture with this silky butter. Massage over wet skin for a pre-cleanse boost of hydration. So this is before you use body wash or anything. You put this on and it just hydrates your skin. I'm so excited to try it. I've never tried anything like this. It's like a pre-cleanse shower kind of butter. So I'm very excited to see how I like it. And Dove is such a great brand. It's like very sensitive and it doesn't have any like harsh scents. So that's always really nice. Next up, it's this Nair Face and Bikini Wax Ready Strips. So I'm a little nervous to try these, a little hesitant. I think I'll definitely try them though. We'll have to see. I might try on like the center of my eyebrows and like maybe nowhere else, but we'll see. I am curious if they're any good, and it says sensitive skin formula, so we'll see how they do. Next up, from the brand, I never know if I'm saying it right, but I think it's Chai. And first of all, this cute little pouch, and then they sent me this Wake and Fake dry shampoo, soothing dry shampoo. I'm a huge fan of dry shampoo. I'm like a daily wash girl though. Like I wash my hair all the time, but I also love a good dry shampoo occasionally. So this one looks really interesting. Wake and Fake, definitely for those days where you just wake up and you have not washed your hair. And then this cute little detangling brush. It's so mini, like it fits in the little bag, and apparently it's brand new. Like I'm not even sure if it's out yet, but it feels so soft. I usually use the wet brush, which I use it because it has such like soft bristles, and it's still detangling, and this feels like it's gonna be similar to that. So I'm very excited to see if it's better or how it compares. And I love the cute little size. You can literally throw it in your purse. As you guys can see, I have the most like crazy flyaways ever, so I think it would be really nice to hold this, like carry this in my purse and use it when I feel like my hair is getting a little crazy, especially on a windy day. Today was really windy here in Texas. Next thing from the brand Field Trip, which is the same brand I just realized of the body wash, but it is a hydrating lip mask. This looks so good. I'm not sure, let's see, I'm not sure if it has like a flavor or anything, but I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be really good. Just right off the bat, it kind of reminds me of the what is it, the Laneige one, just like the size, the shape, I don't know. We'll have to see how they compare, but I'm pretty excited. I love a good lip mask. And then they also sent me their brightening serum, and this is just basically what it says. It's got vitamin C, and it's shown to brighten, lessen the appearance of dark spots, reduce dullness, and with continued use for yourself. See for yourself, it says. So pretty excited about this as well. We'll have to see. I do have, you know, sometimes some dull skin, so I'm excited to see how that works. Next thing I have is from the brand Naturium. You guys can see for yourself right there. Naturium, I believe. It is their sulfur spot treatment, and it's targeted acne treatment to clear and reduce acne blemishes. I'm not a big acne person, but lately I've been getting a few blemishes and spots here and there, so I'm really excited to try this out and see how it works. I'm always looking for something to help me with those little blemishes that I get here and there. Next thing I got is, let's see, I got some samples, which I actually had already been sent a whole PR package of just this YSL Black Opium perfume. So they're these pretty good size samples, especially for, you know, they sent me about 5 of them this time, and before they sent me like more than 10. And I love Saint Laurent, I love Black Opium, and this is their new Le Parfum. I'm not French, guys, I can't say it properly, but it's supposed to be like their best one yet, and I gave some to my mom and she liked it a lot. She actually didn't like Black Opium before and she loves this. I know there's a lot of mixed opinions about it online, but if you get the chance to try this specific one, the Le Parfum, which again I'm probably saying wrong, try it out because it is so good. I can even smell it through here, and it's just the most divine scent, honestly. Next thing is from Keys Soul Care. It's this Gleam On Highlighting Balm. I'm gonna try to open it up for you guys because the box doesn't really show it. It's a little, you gotta open it up. Let's see. Okay. Oh, cute. It's like in this little container. And that's it. Cute. I'm excited to try it. It looks like something I've used before. I can't quite put my finger on what it was. I think the shade is called Enlightenment. And let me see if I can, I guess it's just like a regular highlighter. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it says basically just to tap it on. You can use your fingers or a brush, and it's for face, eyelids, or any high points. So just like a regular highlighter. I'm excited. I kind of want to use it as an eyeshadow. It looks like a really great eyeshadow shade. So that's very exciting. And then one last thing in here is 5 incredible bath bombs. I'm so excited to use these. I'll show them to you one at a time. I'm so afraid to break them. We've got, this is from the brand Beloved, by the way, lavender and chamomile tea. And I can smell these through the plastic, and they smell so divine. And look at how cute this is. Like, it's moon-shaped. It's adorable. And then we've got coconut and warm vanilla. This one, oh my god. Through the package, these smell amazing. Let's see. We've got green clay and eucalyptus. That smells so good too. And they're so cute. Like, look at this. It's like a eucalyptus leaf. It's so pretty. I don't know. I'm pretty sure eucalyptus leaves look something like that. Maybe I'm wrong. Cherry blossom and tea rose. And it's a little heart. And it smells like so good. I can literally smell these through the package. And then this one is the cutest, mango and lime. And it literally is shaped like a little citrus slice. And this one, oh my god, this one smells so good through the package. So that's everything that they sent me, and I'm really excited to try out all this stuff. Hopefully I can do maybe some reviews or tutorials or stuff like that for you guys. Obviously there's some stuff I can't really try out on camera, like the body wash or the shampoo, but I can give you guys reviews, and there's some stuff like the lipstick and the eyeshadow and the highlighter that I can try out on camera. So if you guys want like a makeup tutorial using all these products or just some sort of review, let me know. I would love to do that. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below which product you would like me to review the most. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.